Hey guys, it's that time of week again. You guessed it, plant chores. I've got tons to do, some new stuff, and yeah, a few surprises in there as well. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, stick around for Plant Chores Galore Part 2. Alright guys, I have a ton to get done as per usual. Today what I want to accomplish is obviously some of the things that always need to get done, like watering and certain maintenance and care type stuff. But in addition to all of that, I have some new plants, a few new ideas, and a couple of things that I want to share with you. So in this video, I want to be installing this new air plant that I've acquired on my feature wall. It's also time to pot up this beautiful begonia. Love these reds and oranges. So this needs to get potted up. And just hold on a second. I have this new gorgeous baby, Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma, that I want to talk about. And yeah, some fun growth and unexpected growth on some things I'm going to show you around. Oh, and I have some, a new crystal for my crystal mineral cases that I want to show you. So lots to do, lots to cover. Plant chores galore. So as I'm sure you are probably noticing, I've changed up sort of the mantle and the plants that I have on there for now. So let me know what you think. A whole bunch of pothos, dracaena, a snake plant, and this is also, I guess, technically a dracaena. So this is my huge air plant, and this spot has been empty, and I think this is where I'm going to, well, I know this is where I'm going to install that new air plant that I got, and I think I have a cool way of doing that, so I'm going to show you that. I also need to grab these, and actually let me just do this now. Grab these because they need to get some water. Yeah, this just give you a little quick tour of how things are looking. Lots of sun. We've been really lucky this fall. It's just been nothing but sunny, so no complaints there. All right, so time for a quick little bath for my snakeborn ferns. Now, usually once a week, I like to just give them a quick little rinse, nothing crazy, just a few seconds. Keep that sphagnum moss nice and moist, and I just keep them upright so that the water can go right through and drain through them. But as I was referring to earlier, this is new, and I think it's going to look pretty sweet on this cedar plank that I have that I stained, and I think it should look pretty cool, especially if I use this hook. I'm thinking I'm gonna kind of like drill a hole there, insert this somewhere at the top, and then kind of gracefully just hang this air plant in front of it. Yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. And then I have to, this is finally clean that up, have some pre-mixed soil here so that I can pot up that beautiful Begonia. So one of those surprises is my orchids. I have 3 in this container, and one of them is getting ready to bloom again. Now I had cut these right back after it had finished blooming the last time, and I almost didn't even notice, but anyways, super pumped about that. Woo! All right, just a little pre-drill at the top, right where the secondary piece of wood is, because this bad boy hook is a little bit longer. So I'm just going to put the camera down, put this in, drape the air plant over this board, and yeah, let's see. So this is what I got. Paid 15 bucks for it. Not sure if that's a great deal or not, but it's gonna work really well. So let me just quickly finish this up, and then I can throw it back up there. Ooh, one of those things is crooked, but yeah, that's because my snake-horned ferns are getting a little bit of water at the moment. So yeah, let's see what this all looks like with this new air plant. All right, that's not looking too shabby. It's a little bit longer here, but I can probably wrap that up on the hook. Let's see what it looks like when I throw it up. So, let's see here. Oh. All right, yeah, I think that looks pretty sweet. What do you guys think of this new addition? Is this the right way to go? Definitely leave a comment down below. Let's go pot up that begonia. All right, guys, so I've just mixed up some cocoa coir, peat moss, and perlite, and I'm just gonna use this to pot up this beautiful begonia here. And you know, I didn't want to go too big, obviously, because you need to keep your planter, you know, just basically an inch or so larger than the nursery container. So this is the perfect size. Just putting some down at the base. And then, let's see here. All right, just break this up a bit. All right, awesome. All right. Ooh, lost a little one. All right, this is kind of tricky. I'm just gonna put the camera down, and ooh, I'm in love with this. This looks awesome with the terracotta pot, and with that light coming through it. Damn. All right. Let me just finish that up, be right back. All right, looking pretty epic. Love this, especially for fall. It's just so pretty and beautiful. I think I'm gonna leave it on the scale for now. And new baby, I'm gonna do a care video on these this weekend. Cute little growth. And yeah, maybe that can live here, we'll have to see. But yeah, oh, just so happy with how this is looking, especially in this terracotta pot is just perfect. All right, I guess on to the next task. Ooh, I have to fill up my humidifiers. All right. This one's like, I don't know if you can tell, it's about halfway there. I don't even think it's on right now. What the hell? All right, let's let's get that going. Oh, there we go. Woo! Let's see what the humidity levels are in here. All right, so we're at about a 61, which isn't so bad. Let's see. Oh, this one's about halfway full too. Halfway empty, halfway full. All right. This guy just seems to be so happy next to the humidifier. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I got this thing on sale and it's been outside all summer. I brought it back in a while back and it's just still doing really well. All right, let me fix all that, grab all of that, and then show you what that looks like. All right, guys, it's all coming together. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. I think it works. Yeah. I'm not sure about all these plants on the mantle. It would be nice to have, I don't know, something a little bit more dynamic, something to break it up, but it doesn't look bad. Oh yeah, and let me show you. So I recently picked up this this crystal. It's quartz with a little bit of fluorite. I don't know if I'm getting a great angle. Let me see if I can move the camera here. Yeah, there we go. And then I moved my fishbone cactus to this spot. I think that looks pretty cool for the moment. I don't know if this is kind of getting lost here, and I might move it to the bedroom just so more light is filtering through it. But for now, I think this just helps kind of complete the whole sort of look and set. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about these minerals and the fishbone cactus and all of that. Guys, I also just have to say that my Monstera is taking over. Loving it though, lots of new growth. It's just wild and free, just the way I like it. Oh my God, these aerial roots are crazy. Oh my God, there's like one huge long one on the other side. But yeah, this just plant brings me so much joy and so much happiness. It's just so pretty. Love my Monstera deliciosa. Update on the coffee table plants. This is unfurled and it's gonna have to darken now, but seems pretty happy. Same goes for my alocasia. And yeah, this is slowly starting to straighten out, which is great. And oh yeah, even getting some blooms on this down there, which is awesome. The new growth on this guy has unfurled and getting bigger. Tons going on down here. Not talking about that right now, but ooh, new growth here, didn't see that. Yeah, this guy is just happy right there. ZZ seems pretty happy too. And quick little view. My Pilia Moon Valley, not doing so great, but we're not gonna talk about that. Oh yeah, move this spider plant here. So lots of little changes going on. This guy is reaching for the stars for real. So yeah. Oh, I think that needs to get watered up there. My Kimberly fern. So yeah, let me get the footstool and water that. But I think that's it for plant chores today. That wasn't so bad actually, kind of got a lot done. Still some things to do, but yeah, stay tuned for the mini Monstera, Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma crucial care video coming up soon, and hope you guys are having a great day. That's it for me, miss you guys already. Until the next one.